It's really nice of you to use your network to help me get back to the future. Thanks, Julia.
Well, hold on. It hasn't worked yet, but it's going to get me a lot of likes. Okay, ready? Smile. Hi, Facebook. Please help my time-traveling buddy find a quantum USB controller 3.0 for Goupil.
Hope this Facebook thing of yours works better than Timmy.
Hello. Ask me whatever you'd like.
Go massage my feet.
Here is the address of a massage parlor. The closest one is Massage Thai Zen, 5 Bar 3.
Well, while you're waiting for people to react, why don't you try Twitter?
Hey, I like your friend's futuristic beard.
Honey, I hope you signed the petition about global warming I sent you. Mom sends her love.
Yay, Stargate SG-1, the best series in the world. After Battlestar Galactica.
Okay, guys, you're not really helping me out here. Does anyone know Goupil?
Look, it took me 10 minutes, but I found this page.
What's up, Oka? Did you find something?
Oh, no, Julia. No, I discovered something very important. The world is completely flat, and it's being run by aliens, the Masons, and the Illuminati. They're everywhere. They might even be spying on us at this very moment. It's probably because of them that my Goupil controller broke when I rove here.
You know, you can't believe everything you read on social media.
That's exactly what they said you'd say. You're being manipulated by them too. Oh.
Here, I found this page on Goupil on Facebook. Let's contact the community manager. Hi.
Hello, how may I help you today?
I'm trying to find a quantum controller USB-Z 3.0 TX3100 for Goupil.
To order our catalog for free, click here.
No, I'm just looking for a specific controller.
You're very welcome, dear customer. Which product lines did you want to know more about today?
None. I just want to find the controller.
I hope I was helpful. For more information, click here to order our catalog for free.
Are you a chatbot?
I'm Linda. Which of our services do you want to ask me about?
I hate you.
Sorry, none of our services match it with I hate you. May I recommend our last innovation? The USB-Z Quantic Controller TX3100 for Goupil.
Yes! Yes, that's exactly the one. Where do I find it?
To win the USB-Z Quantic Controller TX3100 for Goupil, participate in our contest. Tell us what you would do if you could travel in time.
If I could travel back in time, I would go back and kill the guy that programmed you.
Too late. Our contest ended January 31st. For more information, click here to order our catalog for free.
Would you like me to make an appointment with a shrink bot?
No, leave Timmy.